Hello everyone, welcome to Analysis and Design of Algorithm. Today we are going to study about assignment problem using exhaustive search. What is this assignment problem? It is a problem which assigns jobs for persons by satisfying the following constraints or conditions. Only one job is assigned to a person and each person is assigned exactly one job. So this is the assignment problem. I have a table over here which has a set of jobs and set of people. So three people with three jobs. Each person is assigned exactly one job. Person 1 can do a job in 9 seconds, person 1 can do a job in 2 seconds, and job 3 in 7 seconds. Similarly, person 2 can do a job in 6 seconds, job 2 in 4 seconds, job 3 in 3 seconds. Person 3 can do a job 1 in 5 seconds, job 2 in 8 seconds, and job 3 in 1 seconds. But we have to find a solution in such a way that these three jobs are done by these three people in the least amount of time. This is what is called as assignment problem. These three jobs finished by these three people in the least amount of time. How do we do it? First thing is we need to find all the permutations. We need to write down all the permutations of all these three people and assign them to these three jobs. The left hand table, if you check, it shows all the combinations of these persons assigned to these three jobs. Now I'm going to write down the time taken by all these three people for doing these three jobs according to these combinations of persons that I have written. Person 1 does a job 1 in 9 seconds. From this table I've taken, this right hand side table. Person 1 does job 1 in 9 seconds. Person 2 does job 2 in 4 seconds. Person 3 does a job 3 in 1 second. Add them. Add the total amount of time taken. So it comes to 14 seconds. 14 seconds or minutes or hours, whatever you want to call it. Similarly, person 1 takes 9 seconds to finish job 1. Person 3 takes 8 seconds to finish job 2, and person 2 takes 3 seconds to finish job 3. Add up the total, comes to 22. So these three jobs with this combination takes 22 seconds. Similarly, for the next set of persons, person 2 takes 6 seconds to finish job 1, person 1 takes 2 seconds to finish job 2, person 3 takes 1 second to finish job 3. The total time taken is 9 seconds. Similarly, do it for the remaining set of people, or the remaining set of permutations. Add those, you will get the total over here. So the first set of combination took 14 seconds, then the next 22 seconds, next 9, 21, 10, 16, and so on. Out of all these, the least amount of time taken here is 9 seconds out of all this combination. So person 2 has to be assigned to job 1, person 1 has to be assigned to job 2, and person 3 has to be assigned to job 3. Only then it will take the least amount of time to finish these three jobs. So the least amount of time taken to finish these three jobs is 9 seconds. This is how assignment problem is solved. The worst case, or the time complexity inside worst case, is n factorial. If I have 4 persons with 4 jobs, it will be 4 factorial. So this will be 4 factorial. Since I have 3 persons with 3 jobs, it is 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 combinations of persons I have over here. If it was 4 jobs and 4 persons, it would be 4 factorial. 5 persons and 5 jobs, 5 factorial. So this is how you solve assignment problem. You can take up any example of jobs and persons and try to find the least amount of time taken to finish those jobs. Thank you.